to Mama Jones' house. Mama Jones and Papa Harry and the family here at Niagara Falls, you know. We come spend the day, do some foolishness. You know, we're trying to make it funny and exciting for you guys. Have lots of fun, you know. Oh, guys.
Yes.
This is my nephew. Come to spend the time with me. Guys, I didn't even get to give him my prank, but it's okay. And this is my niece, Miss Raviali.
Yes, Greenway Raviali.
From the Greenway.
Yes, from the Greenway.
Try where your face there. What the fuck your face there? And guys, let me show you the rest of the Rugrats them. Rugrats. The rest of the Rugrats them, guys. Let me give you a look one then. You can see the rest of the Rugrats them. Papa. See Lily and she hungry. She wants something to eat. She hungry. Bonnet.
Yeah.
Mr. Reefman himself.
Yeah, you know what it is? Outside Niagara Falls. And the first man wanna know me. I do it.
And Miss Good Up Ella, you know. So guys, we're at a place, you know.
Where are you guys at?
We're at Niagara Falls.
Jeez.
You know, we'll live it up and have some fun. Me and Papa Harry and the clan.
Yeah.
All of my Rugrats them there.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Rugrat 1, Rugrat 2, Rugrat 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 Rugrats.
All of them.
Okay. Alright.
Oh, yeah, Rugrats.
All of my kids is here.
Want to say hi?
One of them are Rugrats.
Never them cherry blossom for them lip. Fix up your lip here, my nephew. Make your lip look nice. I know where with the Rugrats them when they matter about you. You love them things. It's good.
Never worry. You want some? You want some?
What part?
Taste it. Papa Harry gets a buffalo chicken poutine. I went down for.
know.
Granddad shot.
Me lock them up, me lock them up, me
Granddad
lock them
shot
up.
here about me car no good, me car no good.
No, me lock up the whole of them, lock them up 2 times.
But you say your car no good.
You know, that's why when me press it so hard, I go too fast.
Okay.
So I was in the back, I was in the front. But at the, to me lock them,
You end up in the back?
back, yes. Stand there.
So guys, now we're off to the haunted house.
What's that?
Let me go to the haunted house because who will get haunted?
There was the antidote.
The haunted house over there.
You're not going there already?
No, we're not going to the haunted house.
Oh, no, go zombie. Attack.
Papa go a zombie attack.
He that attack.
No, it was not attack. It was very scary, he said. That scary place. I do not like scary stuff. So you guys should be said, Grandma, you need to go. Grandma, you need to go. I ain't going. Go! So, shit. I'm going. Go. I'm not going.
Go inside.
Okay.
Go inside.
I am not going. I do not like
Grandma, you'll be okay. You're gonna be okay.
No, I'm not.
Who's all not going?
Going. Who's going? If you're going, put your hand up, let's see.
What kind of scary is it?
Like,
What kind of scary?
I don't know. What kind of
scary is it?
I don't know if you can.
Haunted house.
Haunted scary? When people pop out my
Yes.
They are going. You're
Mama
gonna
gonna
go?
Yeah, you have to go. Because you know, that is chicken shit. She's afraid.
Okay, man, I have to wait till Granddad go and go with
Okay, but we have to wait 30 minutes.
So you made him go by himself? Oh, him and Chad went? So look.
Nightmare Land. Okay. Guys, I went through the haunted house and I make it with no scratch. There was no demons jumping out on me. It was just pure darkness and I was just fine.
It was lit though.
fine.
She was lit. She was only fine because nobody was coming out on her this time.
Yes,
right?
nobody, yes.
But now, look. All that means is you can conquer all your fears in life. You should never say, oh, me can't do it. Me so scared. I don't want to do it. I don't like the dark.
Well, I went and I go and I am fine. I just follow the red light. Not tonight,
You can step it up now, where people are gonna jump out at you and stuff.
No jumping out people at me.
Which one?
No, the one where we
next one.
This where we just do with me and Papa Harry. Him hold my hand and I hold his
guys, 1
hand,
second.
and it was just fine. It's night now. Still very busy down in Niagara. Papa Harry eating ice cream. I don't want any because I'm watching my blood sugar. Oh, so
Where'd you get the ice cream from?
huh?
Where'd you get the ice cream from?
Down the road. Papa Harry buy him ice cream. Where reef them can? Buy for them. Okay. So guys, we finished Niagara Falls and we are home now. So I'm coming to the end of the video and I am signing out. And you know, I will see you guys in my next video. It was a good vlog. We spent a wonderful time at Niagara Falls today, you know, and my nephew and his wife went back home and we have a wonderful day, me and the Rugrats them. Okay guys, so bye, and I will see you guys in my next video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell, things of mine, so no don't miss a post when I post. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.